card there. Oh, and here we have, oh, they're just my swatches. Lovely. And, oh, tips. These are, I think it's nicely packaged. Look, with a bubble and then another little pack. Oh, that's an empty box. Okay. And so is that. They're the empty boxes to put the tips into. Oh dear. Deary me. There they are. Tippy tips. Okay. Una tips. Let's just get one out and have a look. Do we need to get them out? Probably not. These are the easy tips. Love the look of those. They've got to go in their box. And these will be the square tips. Clear ultra thin tapered. So they're a tapered square. Lovely. I might come back to them in a minute. Oh, now here we go. Well, these are the tips for the Flexi hand. Which they say they've had made themselves to look more like a natural nail, which I have to say they do really look like a natural nail. And here she is. Oh, she's got a little instruction manual there. I'm going to snip that off. Oh, I hate destroying these things when they're so beautifully packaged. Got our instructions in there, which I'm going to have a look in a minute. And this lovely little organza bag, and it's, look at that, it's on its little, it's got a little base. I'll be using that later. I'll do a little demo. Here's the other one. I've also got a left and a right. Right, here we go. And that's the suction thing. Let's get rid of this box. I'm not sure if I'm... Oh, I think we have to take that off. That was on there. That comes off. Okay, right, here we are. We've got a nice glass surface to sit it on. It wouldn't sit on my tabletop because it's a bit grainy and it's not smooth enough. So I've now got just a worktop saver. You can get them anywhere, I'm sure everybody's seen these. So this suction bit fits on there, sits on there perfectly. It really suctions on lovely. So what you do is see how well it sticks. Right, okay, there's your suction pad. Here is a little, you've got this in here where it says press. That's for getting it off. Okay, so putting it on, you push it down, you bring this lever all the way down, and that really makes the suction, it really adds to the suction. And then to bring it off, you push that down and pull this up to release. And also there is a little tab on the back here to help prise it away, which does help. Everything works really well together. And then we have, I'm going to suction it on there in a minute, but just in the meantime, we've got the spikes here that the hand goes onto. Got two little holes there, spikes going to. It looks like they don't fit, but they do, because these just push in. And I'm going to push that on there in a minute. Then we have this bit here. So when that's suctioned down, let's put it on there. So just push that down. Pull our little lever down, and that's on there. Oh, that's just the table saver moving, but that is on there lovely. Okay, and then this moves up and down, and that is controlled by this. That can be, there's one of those ball things in there, that can be adjusted, so you can just unscrew that, and that makes that looser, but I think it's better tighter. So tighten that up. So now it doesn't move, it's much firmer in there. This here, there's a screw there, this thing, which I have really tightened that up at the moment, so I won't try and untighten it, but that stops this bit here from spinning either way, and I want that tight. I don't really want that to spin, because if I want to turn the whole thing around, I can just do it like that. So I don't need that loose. And then we have another screw down here, which if I loosen that, that moves this up and down, which I may want to move and I may not want to move, and then just tighten it up again. So there's, you know, you can do lots with it. It all works perfectly. And then to take, oh, I'm going to put the hand on first before I take it off. So just put it in the little holes like so, and then just push it on. These bits that you put it onto look like they're threaded, but you don't screw it on, you just push it on. I think it's on there, seems to be on there nice and tight. Smooth it out so you can see that. Obviously I will have that further away from me, like so. I'm going to take that off again, so it just pulls off like that. And then to take the stand off, just press that, release that, and then just lift it away like that. Love it. And then the hand has these these little nails slide out, and I think that looked like oh, what is that? That's a number 6. Okay, and then you just take one of these, and they usually go in back to front on these practice hands, and then that just, there's a pocket under there, and that slides in there. It's lovely, looks good, love it. You could have just left this one in, you could just leave that one in to work on rather than waste them. You don't need to use these straight away. And I bought these separately from Glitter Planet, but it comes with these little clear ones in, but I bought those separately to go with it. They sell them both, they sell the hands and the extra tips. So there it is, and there isn't much more to say about that, but I just look forward to using it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in another video. Well, I won't see you, will I? You'll see me. Lucky you.